what's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna be unboxing Every Plate. I got 2 boxes from Every Plate this week, and I'm gonna be unboxing it and I'm gonna be reviewing it. I'm gonna be comparing it to HelloFresh because I ordered like HelloFresh last week. I'm gonna be comparing Every Plate to HelloFresh in terms of delivery, customer service, and food items and what the varieties are. So stay tuned for this unboxing. So let's see what I got. This box is super tall. Okay. It's just like HelloFresh. We get all this papers that shows a step. So we got a sweet Thai chili steak lettuce wrap. We got crispy buffalo ranch chicken. They gave us some like cards. Well, here, if you want to use the code to get $70 off, you can use it. And they gave us a creamy Dijon chicken. Yeah, I think this is kind of like similar to HelloFresh, that meal. Okay, theirs is like a lot of produce. If you can see inside, it's so. I think I'm gonna keep this box on the floor. It's super big. Yeah, that is a lot of produce. Like, look at that, carrots. I got lots of carrots. This is different compared to HelloFresh. Like, I'm actually getting grocery store worth of carrots, grocery store worth of broccoli. Look at lettuce. Well, the thing about them is it's not organized, so I'm not even sure. Like, it's not organized like HelloFresh, where the meals like they come all together in a pack, and you know what's what. I put it in here. Everything's just like everywhere. So I have to sort through it, and now I don't like that. Yeah, I have to sort through all this. So it's not pre-packaged for each meal. Everything is just in here. And then I have the meat on the bottom. So I'm just gonna put everything back in here. As you can see. And then we have beef steak, chicken breast, beef steak as well. So that's for that one. I'm gonna open up this one. This. And then this has the other meals. Let's see what meal. Umami ginger pork bowl, spicy cumin lime chicken taco, pepper jack shroom quesadillas. Okay, and I believe it's gonna be the same way. It's packed, a bunch of different stuff. Yep. Oh, that looks cute. What is this? It's a soy sauce ginger. And a panda on it. Super cute. I like the way that you have a lot of produce for every plate, but I just wish it was organized, like, pre-packaged for each meal, so I'm not like trying to sort out and figure out what's for what, But I like it. Oh, I got mushrooms. I get a bunch of onion. HelloFresh, they give you powdered onion. Well, unless necessary, they'll just share it in half. They don't give you like a whole onion. I have to really figure out what goes in the fridge and what doesn't. But I get lots of mushrooms. I'm just gonna take this box out. This is a whole lot. This is a whole lot. Well, I can also tell why it's a lot because when I was ordering it, I accidentally put meal for 4 people instead of meal for 2. So I think that's also another reason why it's a lot. But yep, I have to sort through all this and figure out what goes in the fridge and what stays out. And then for the meat produce, we have chicken breast as well, more chicken breast, and ground pork. So yeah, that's all. And this is all like I paid $149 for all this because it's the first time I ordered from them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this in the fridge. In terms of like shipping, it takes about the same amount for EveryPlate and HelloFresh. The customer service were both good. The only difference with the HelloFresh and EveryPlate is I get a lot of produce. With the HelloFresh, I don't get a lot of produce. And then with HelloFresh, it's pre-packed for each meal and arranged and organized. But with the EveryPlate, everything is like everywhere, as you can see. But yeah. I like both of them, and I'll be cooking each individual meals, and I'll let you know how they both taste. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be cooking these meals, and you don't want to miss out. I just want to thank you all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try out HelloFresh or EveryPlate, or if you have already tried it out, let me know in the comment what you think about it.